I'm a hiking lover. And yeah, I'm also into vaping. When I'm out here on the trail, my Hero Series vape just stays quietly in the side pocket of my back. It's scraped along rocks, tumbled over gravel, never cracks, never quit on me. "50 watt output and 2000 mAh battery, which means I can use it all day with the single charge. And now here the A-lock feature so it won't accidentally fire in your back." To me, upgrades like these are about leaving the past behind. They're about making it part of the journey. This device keeps me steady even when I'm on the move. It gives me calm in the chaos. It's taken me to the top before. And each time I'm already thinking about the next climb.